In this video, we will look at a puzzle. Take a square paper and first fold it in half. Unfold it. And now you have to fold it in such a way that this vertex lies on this crease and the angle starts from this vertex. Let me show you how. What I do is I just lift this and start sliding it along this center line and checking if the angle starts right from the vertex. I take it up till it matches and the fold starts from this vertex and then fold it. Now there are just two more folds. Fold this edge to meet this edge. And now fold along this border. Now open the model and mark out all the lines in bold using a pen. The puzzle is that without measuring, you should find out what is the measure of each of the angle over here. Use your knowledge of parallel lines, transversal, properties of triangles. Can you find out all the angles?